Today I'll be talking about how to attach a external microphone to your phone and to your gimbal. So this one, I have a gimbal, the MOZA Mini MX, but when I attach the phone here, I don't actually know where I can place this because it's not like a camera that I can put on top. And then I'll be also talking about the sound comparison of the BOYA BY MM1 against microphones that are kind of found at home. Okay, first things first, you have to have a shoe mount so that you can attach it to your gimbal. And for my instance, I bought a Ulanzi shoe mount, the PT-3 shoe mount. So this one. So there's two sides. This square thing, you attach it to the side that doesn't move. So this one moves. Okay, so I'll attach it here. Okay. So it would look something like this. And then in my gimbal, if you have a similar one, the Mini MX of MOZA, just remove the tripod piece, then attach the other end of your shoe mount here. Now it's attached. So I'll also attach the tripod next. So it's kind of just like an extension. Okay, fits perfectly. Okay. Then with the microphone, you just have to slide. So there's a piece in the microphone, the square thing here. So you have just slide it here, and then lock it. So you can see that there are also two more slots. So what I've seen is that you can also attach lights here, or if you have another gadget that you want to be attached here, so you have two more extra slots. There are two pieces of wire along with the BOYA BY MM1. So the first one is this long one. This is what you'll use if you are using a tablet or a smartphone or even a MacBook or a laptop to your microphone. So this is the wire that you'll use. Whereas the second one, this is for cameras, camcorders, and other audio or video recording devices. So you attach it here. But since I don't have a camera yet, I'll use this one and attach it to my phone. Okay, so here. Then you also have this furry thing. This is your windshield. You will attach it to your microphone. There. So this is your windshield. It's supposed to block off the wind so that the background sound wouldn't be that bothersome, especially if it's windy. But I haven't tested this one outside yet. For the sound test, I'll be comparing the sound of the BOYA BY MM1 against alternative microphones that can be found at home. The first one is the internal microphone of my mobile phone. The second one is free earphones from my tablet. The third one is the Jabra Evolve 3.2 headphones that I use for work. There will be two tests. The first test is without the electric fan pointed at my face. Then the second one would be with the electric fan pointed at my face. A gloomy peace this morning with it brings. The sun for sorrow will not show his head. Go hence to have more talk of these sad things. Some shall be pardoned and some punished. For never was a story of more woe than this of Juliet and her Romeo. A glooming peace this morning with it brings. The sun for sorrow will not show his head. Go hence to have more talk of these sad things. Some shall be pardoned and some punished. For never was a story of more woe than this of Juliet and her Romeo. I just finished editing the video and just a few observations. So for the test one, the internal microphone and the Jabra did really well. The sound is very clear, no background noise, no fuzz, no fuzzing sound you hear in the background. The earphones, it's not really that good, I would say. For the BOYA, with and without the windshield, the volume is quite low, but when I tried to edit it in the laptop, it's pretty clear. But during the test, the one you've just seen a while ago, I didn't put any audio effects there. For test 2, so here we can see that the internal microphone was struggling. You can hear the sound of the fan beside me. For earphones, definitely didn't do well. For the Jabra, for some reason, the volume in the Jabra quite decreased. I'm not sure if it's because of the microphone or is it really because of it's trying to cancel out the background noise. For BOYA, both with and without the windshield, I didn't really hear any fuzz sound from the electric fan. So hopefully this video helped you in deciding whether it's okay to invest on an external microphone such as the BOYA BY MM1 or just use the microphones readily available at home. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next video.